Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify all functional groups in the molecule. From the structure, the compound contains 1. Carboxylic acid -CoO. 2. Ketone, C is equal to O, the acetyl group on the left. 3. Aldehyde, CHO, on the right side. 4. Ester, COMe, methyl ester at the bottom. Moving on to the next step. Determine what LAH, Lyell-4, reduces. LAH is a powerful reducing agent that reduces all carbonyl-containing functional groups. Carboxylic acid's primary alcohols. Ketones' secondary alcohols. Aldehyde's primary alcohols. Ester's primary alcohols. So LAH reduces all 4 functional groups. LAH count is equal to 4. Moving on to the next step. Determine what SBH, NaBH4, reduces. NaBH4 is a mild reducing agent that selectively reduces only aldehydes and ketones and sometimes imines. It does not reduce carboxylic acids, not reduced by NaBH4. Esters, not reduced by NaBH4 under normal conditions. Aldehydes, reduced. Ketones, reduced. So NaBH4 reduces only 2 functional groups, aldehyde plus ketone. SBH count is equal to 2. And for the final step, match with answer choices. LAH is equal to 4, SBH is equal to 2 corresponds to option D, 4, 2. Why other options fail? A, 4, 4, incorrect because NaBH4 does not reduce carboxylic acids or esters. B, 4, 3, incorrect, NaBH4 reduces only 2, aldehyde and ketone, not 3. C, 3, 4, incorrect, LAH reduces all 4 groups, not 3, and NaBH4 does not reduce 4. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.